Welcome to a new education. Welcome to my channel. I go by name Estyshop. In today's video, we're going to be talking about sales. So if you guys are business owners, want to learn more about sales, I'm going to show you my techniques and my tactics I use for myself and my brand and how you can use it for your brand. So today's video is sales, y'all. Sales, right? In any company, any company, it's the same for every company. You're going to need to know how to sell. So what are some good strategies moving forward ahead in 2023 and beyond? How can you improve your business? How can you improve your sales? Well, we're in the technology days where digital and YouTube and other social media platforms is skyrocketing with shorts, with TikTok, with Reels on Instagram. It's definitely different tools to market your brand and get a brand awareness. So the best way to start in 2023 is, you can do Reels, right? The Reels is what's going on. The Reels for all brands like TikTok, Shorts, and Instagram, y'all. So these short little reels you can use to grow your brand massively. All you got to do is post like a good on these three platforms. Post 3 times a day. If you post 3 times a day, guarantee your brand will blow up fast, y'all. Super fast. If you can stay consistent and promote your brand 3 times a day, whether it's you wearing a product like a t-shirt, or you're showing off anything that you got going on in your brand, you're showing it off. Wake up every day and do it 3 times a day. I noticed from analytics wise, at least for mine, good times are the posts is like around between 7 to like 9 p.m. because around that time people are on their phones. It's way all after work, they're done, everybody's working their 9 to 5, they're off of work, they're chilling. So around 7 and 9 this would be a good time to get really active on your social media platforms and start posting, right? So another good way, a tactic I learned, is to really just learn how to master selling, right? So that's what we're talking about right here. We're going to learn about mastering selling, So how do you master selling, right? Like, how do you master it, you know what I'm saying? Something that you master, something that you had a lot of time doing, or you're very experienced. For example, I do music. I've been doing music for a long time, so I learned to master that skill. I also play basketball. If you guys watch these videos, you know that I play basketball. I've been playing basketball since I was 14, so I mastered that skill. But how can you master what you do in your fashion brand or whatever you do in your business owner? How can you master is by dedicating a lot of energy and time. Okay, energy and time will allow any business to thrive. Nothing's going to work without those things, is energy and time, meaning that you have to be motivated doing what you're doing. So if you got a specific business, make sure you are motivating doing this on a daily basis and that you can see yourself grow potentially 10 to 20 to 30 years. Plus just keep going with your brand. So energy and time plus selling, you will learn how to master it. You master your ability and growth in your business, right? Everybody wants to know how to master your ability and growth. So, put a lot of time into your content. Really think about it. Where you can write it down. Start writing down your ideas of what you want to post daily. You know what I'm saying? Have like a list of what you plan on posting and stuff like that. That's a good way, a good strategy for you to really grow organically and really not have to worry about spending a lot of money on ads, right? Because ads can really put a toll on your pockets. But look, another way is to get in-person sales, and in-person sales is how can you make sales in person? Well, good way to make sales in person, what I do is having business cards, right? You get you one of these business cards, and these business cards are for $40 at Staples. You can get you a whole box of these. All you got to do is put your name on it, put your business name, put a QR code, because that's a good. These are good for when people got iPhone. They scan the QR code and it goes straight to your website. So that's another thing. Let's put that down. Website. Hopefully you guys have websites in 2023, because if you ain't got a website, I don't know what to tell you. But website is good. Is a good way to get people into your business, and you can be able to sell online. So for example, if you wanted to sell in person, you could say, hey, I got this, I got this fashion brand, and I really, really want you to check it out. Here's my business card, can you check it out? And they're gonna look first. They're gonna see that you're professional because you got a business card. So most people that if you ain't got a business card, you're kind of out of the loop, because they might see your product and they might you might get it rejected, but if you got a business card, they might look that up. In 2023, we all about the digital age. So if what I'm saying, they want to see everything going on digital, your platform, your YouTube, your Instagram, your Snapchat, whatever, your Facebook. There's so many social media platforms. So if you are not on social media on all those platforms with your brand name that has that .com, you're out of the loop. So make sure y'all get all that in order. I got videos like that, so you can check the playlist, but that is a good way to get sales online, because once they see this card, they would then be able to look you up online, and then you could potentially make sales. So those are my key things right here in 2023, is basically doing reels, have the same video posted on TikTok, posted on Instagram, and definitely posted on YouTube. And you do that 3 times a day, and you post it around 7 to 9, guarantee you're going to start seeing results today. So hopefully you guys watch this video to the end. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, check out, if you want to join the membership, check out my ebook, and check out my website if you want 15% off. But until this video, and I'll see you on my next educational video. Peace out, y'all. Raw Shop, y'all. I'm gone.